Stop doing this to your vehicle. Launch control is that one thing that if you do it for too many times, it will destroy your automatic transmission. In case you did not know, most car manufacturers have launch control counter. I have two cars which are automatic. Even if one of them is a bit old, it's a BMW X3 from 2009. With xDrive, it's automatic, it's gasoline, it has a 2.5 engine, inline 6. I can do a sort of launch control. I mean, I can press the brake and press the acceleration. I can see it struggle over there, and then I can launch it. I'm adding a lot of wear and tear on the transmission. I don't have that software built in, so I can see launch control activated. And manufacturers know that a lot of people do this, so they came up with the launch control function. So most newer sports cars especially, when you floor the brake, you turn off ESP, and you floor the acceleration, you automatically enter launch control mode. But this mode has a counter. If you do it too many times, it will void your warranty. The Nissan GT-R has a low number of launch controls. The Porsche 911 has a low number of launch controls. If you surpass that number, your warranty disappears. Basically, the car wants to launch, wants to go in full throttle, and you're applying full force. So you can imagine that it's a bad thing for your transmission. If you want to avoid having trouble with your transmission with your brand new car or a second-hand used car, avoid doing this too many times. I mean, I know you're curious if you want to do it to see how it feels, how it runs for a few times, it's okay. But if it becomes a habit, if you do it too many times, at some point it will ruin, if it will destroy your transmission. And you can imagine how much will it cost to replace a GT-R transmission or a 911 transmission, especially if it's a GT3, GT4, 9,000 RPM. It's a really expensive transmission. I think it surpasses $15,000 to $20,000. So if you want to avoid a huge bill like that, stop doing launch controls. I know it's fun, I've done it myself multiple times, but at the end, it's not worth it. So be careful how you drive, stop launching your cars, and drive normally. It's a bit better. Or if you wanna drive a bit sporty, you should get a manual, or you should just put it in sport and let it run on itself, but stop launching it, or stop flooring it when it stands still with the brakes applied. A lot of wear and tear, and it's not worth it. Be a man and drive a sports manual. It will make you a lot happier. Take care of your cars. See you in the next episode.